Hi friends. So now today we'll discuss about Fibonacci series. Fibonacci program. The interviewer will ask to print the Fibonacci series of the given number. Given number means they will enter the some number, any number. It can be any number, not a problem. And they will ask to print the Fibonacci number. And what is the logic for that one? So logic is Fibonacci series, the number sequence number from position 1 and 2. Once it will add, they will get the third number from position 1 plus 2. Position 2 equal to position third, and position second plus position third is equal to position fourth. They will print like that. The logic of the Fibonacci. So okay, I will put the here debugger and will show you how I am saying that. So I have put till 5. They asked how many terms you want to print the Fibonacci. So I have entered 5. So I want till 5. Till 5 means 0, 1, 1, 2, 3 maybe. Okay, we'll see what is that. Okay, so now it's came while loop. Count is 0 and n is equal to 5 and n is greater than 0. So it is written true. Now it will come to the print n1. N1 means what is n1? Here divide the n1. N1 means 0 and n2 means 1. They take the two variable n1 and n2. Number 1, number 2. 0. So 0 sum equal to n1 what? 0. N2 what? 1. 0 plus 1, 1. Okay. Now second what we'll do? N2 n1 equal to n2, they will assign the value 1, and n2 assign the value to sum, what is 1. So sum have value 1, and now counter will increase to 1. Like that it will execute how many times until the condition will get false. Okay, see down, it is printing one by one. Okay, how many terms we have told to print it? 5 terms. So it is running and it is print till the 5 term. What is the term is 0 1 2 1 1 1 2 2 0 1 1 2 3 4 5. So it is printing till 5. Okay, okay, I am changing the number and will show you. So I will, okay, again I am running. I am putting some number like the 7 and will enter. Okay, now we'll check how it is working. Yeah, it's completed. Now you can see that the output is came here. So I have entered 7 and it's come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how it is? 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. So it's come till 7. So this is also one important question. They ask to freshers experience anyone. Okay. Yeah. Thank you for watching.